India just took another giant leap toward sending its first astronaut into space. Watch this. The Indian Air Force successfully conducted the second integrated airdrop test of the Gaganyaan Crew Module using a Chinook helicopter. From 3 kilometers altitude, the Crew Module was released, and its parachute system worked perfectly, slowing it down safely, just like it will during actual re-entry from space. This test proves the parachute deceleration system is ready, a huge milestone for ISRO's Gaganyaan mission, and a perfect example of teamwork between IAF, Indian Navy, ISRO, and DRDO. India is now one step closer to its first human spaceflight in 2027. Like, comment Gaganyaan if you're excited, and subscribe for more space updates.